So how do you go about doing one of the plain English lessons? So let's consider one of the takeoff examples. Once you get into the module, you'll find a list of lessons that are presented here in order of complexity or in order of difficulty. You can choose to do any one of them. I'm going to choose lesson 3 here. I am presented with a map to provide me some situational awareness information, my call sign at the top, along with the 80s. At the bottom, I will see a prompt with some instructions on what am I supposed to say based on the situation. I see here these 2 flashing buttons. The little eye at the button, if I press it, provides me a transcript or my request to the tower controller in this case. And then the other flashing button is the mic that I can depress and actually make my request. So let's try that. Santa Fe Tower, Cessna 832 Victor Lima at runway 33, ready for south departure. Now I got my score for the accuracy of my request. If I press feedback, I'll take a look at that. And I can see which words I missed and which one of them I got correctly. Now I see a flashing arrow again by pressing that arrow.
Cessna 2 Victor Lima, Santa Fe Tower, make left traffic for south departure, runway 33, cleared for takeoff.
And I just heard air traffic controller giving me the instructions. I can decide to take a look at a transcript of what ATC just said by pressing the I there, and I can see that. And again, you see my mic and the eye on the right hand side flashing again, indicating that that's what I'm supposed to be doing next. Let's not forget the help button, the question mark, where you can take a look at the help for the readback. In this case, the ATC instructions, who you are, your call sign, and the construct of your readback. Here you also get an opportunity to record yourself and hear how you sound, or hear the built-in voices of the Plain English radio simulator, how they actually make the requests. And that's how you do a lesson.